Welcome back to Tools Inspector, where we explore the smartest tools and gadgets that can upgrade your driving experience. Make sure you watch until the end, because gadget number 10 is something you absolutely need to see. Number 1. What if your smartphone could instantly tell you exactly what's wrong with your car before you ever visit a mechanic? The MUCAR AI-assisted OBD2 Scanner BT 200 Max makes that possible with a powerful Bluetooth diagnostic system. It connects directly to your phone and works smoothly with both iOS and Android devices. This smart tool can scan all major vehicle systems and perform multiple reset functions to help identify issues quickly. Number 2. Imagine blasting away stubborn dust and dirt from your car's interior in seconds without scrubbing. The HI-Tech Vortex II Air Cleaning Gun is a professional detailing tool designed for deep cleaning performance. It uses compressed air to create a powerful vortex that lifts debris from vents, carpets, seat gaps, and dashboards. Even tight areas that are normally difficult to clean become easy to reach when connected to an air compressor. Number 3. Ever wish your back seat had the same convenience and storage as the front seats? The Coverado rear bench seat center console organizer adds practical storage space for passengers. It fits neatly between the rear seats and provides cup holders, a phone holder, and compartment for small items. The sturdy design also works as a comfortable armrest during long trips. Its sleek black finish blends easily with most vehicle interiors. Number 4. What if you could eliminate messy cables and still enjoy full Apple CarPlay functionality in your car? The wireless CarPlay adapter transforms factory-wired CarPlay systems into wireless connectivity instantly. Simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port, and your iPhone connects automatically every time you start the vehicle. Navigation, music, messages, and apps become available without plugging in your phone. The plug-and-play design makes installation extremely simple. Number 5. Why install 2 different accessories when one device can handle both safety and convenience? The NIRRGO 2-in-1 dash cam and phone holder combines a stable phone mount with a full HD dash camera. It records the road in 1080p resolution while securely holding your smartphone for navigation or calls. Features like loop recording, night vision, and a built-in G sensor automatically save important footage during sudden impacts. Number 6. Some diagnostic tools only read errors, but this one can actually communicate with your car systems. The XTOOL D8S AI-assisted OBD2 scanner is a professional-level diagnostic device designed for serious automotive work. It supports full system scanning and provides more than 40 reset functions. The advanced topology mapping feature visually shows how vehicle modules interact with each other. Number 7. What if your car seats could protect your interior while also lighting up your cabin with stylish colors? The CAR Pass LED Napa leather seat covers combine luxury design with built-in RGB lighting. These waterproof covers protect seats from spills, dirt, and everyday wear. The integrated LED system allows you to customize colors and even sync lighting with music. The high-quality Napa leather material offers comfort and durability for daily use. Number 8. Looking down at the dashboard while driving can be distracting and sometimes dangerous. The Sinotrack HUD digital GPS speedometer solves this by displaying important information directly in your line of sight. This heads-up display shows speed, compass direction, and warning alerts clearly on a large screen. GPS technology ensures accurate speed readings for almost any vehicle. The bright LCD display remains visible even in strong daylight. Number 9. What if your car's center armrest could do far more than just provide elbow support? The 5-in-1 multifunction car armrest cover adds multiple features to one compact upgrade. It includes soft microfiber leather padding for improved comfort and durability. Built-in LED ambient lighting enhances the atmosphere inside the car at night. The armrest also features USB and fast-charging ports for powering devices on the go. Number 10. Most dash cams record one angle, but this one captures everything happening around your vehicle. The Vantrue 2.7-inch 3-channel dash cam records the front road view, rear view, and interior cabin simultaneously. With up to 2.7K resolution and advanced Armrest 2 night vision technology, it captures extremely clear footage day and night. The camera also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, parking mode monitoring, and support for large storage cards up to 1 terabyte. Number 11. A weak phone mount can easily fall during bumpy drives, but this one is designed for serious stability. The Andiri magnetic car phone holder uses a powerful suction base combined with strong magnets. It can securely hold smartphones even on rough roads. The 360-degree adjustable design lets you position the phone at the perfect viewing angle. It works especially well with MagSafe compatible iPhones and other magnetic accessories. Number 12. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most convenient for everyday driving. The Lancaster Silicone dashboard phone holder uses anti-slip silicone to keep your phone stable on the dashboard. No installation tools or adhesives are required. The flexible material adapts to different dashboard shapes and surfaces. It also works as a small stand for navigation or hands-free viewing because it is lightweight and portable. Number 13. Imagine having a device in your trunk that can restart your car and inflate your tires anywhere. The Locator JA300 Jump Starter delivers powerful 1,500 amp starting capability for gasoline and diesel vehicles. It also includes a built-in air compressor capable of inflating tires up to 150 psi. The digital screen clearly shows battery level and pressure readings. In addition, it functions as a portable power bank for charging phones and devices. Number 14. Blind spots are one of the most common causes of accidents while changing lanes. These 360-degree blind spot mirrors expand your side mirror's field of view instantly. The convex design allows drivers to see vehicles and obstacles that might otherwise remain hidden. Installation is quick and requires no tools at all. They can greatly improve visibility while reversing or merging into traffic. Number 15. Cleaning tight spaces inside your car can be frustrating with regular cloths or brushes. The TiCar car cleaning gel is designed to reach those difficult areas effortlessly. Its flexible gel texture picks up dust and debris from vents, buttons, cup holders, and narrow crevices. Simply press the gel onto the surface and it lifts dirt instantly. The reusable material can be used multiple times before replacement. This small cleaning tool makes interior detailing faster and much easier. If you enjoyed these smart car gadgets, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Tools Inspector for more amazing tools and innovations.